I'm Amy Goldfarb, and I work with an organization called Organization Learning Group. Scott, who's running the CEO Roundtable, and I met 25 years ago, called me again. He's like, "Hey Amy, it's Scott. Want to do a CEO Roundtable retreat?" And I said, "Am I the right person? Tell me what you want." And he said, "You know what I want? I want an experience that's deep, that's meaningful, that's useful to people as leaders, but more broadly useful to them as people." I didn't have, a big idea that I need to teach you this. I'm going to provide opportunity and invitation through these activities for you to make lots of discoveries about yourself and about how people connect and interact with each other, which here was really looking at improv as a leadership tool and more deeply exploring the ways that we impact each other emotionally and psychologically. What's always really touching, and I know I've run a good retreat when people don't even feel like it's my presence that made it happen. That's what we did, and I think we did meet the needs of the group, and I had a great time.